Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. We're on Mike's 68 Mustang right now, showing you some of the rust repair we're doing on the aprons. The rust on these, while it looks bad, is not enough to warrant replacing these parts when we can fabricate what we need to fabricate. Saves him a bunch of money, saves us a bunch of time, and it's just as bulletproof as replacing the parts. But here's the situation we've got. This center section and the aprons go over the center section, and they're spot welded. Well, moisture gets behind there and it just stays. Rust never sleeps, so it starts eating. So what we're doing is over here, I want to show you. Okay, we're cutting the top parts have already been cut out. If you see that, that's this part of the apron here has already been cut out. Now we'll cut out these rusty parts on the bottom, get them out of the way. We'll make these, it's just basically flat sheet metal with a little bit of a right angle on it. We'll weld these in, grind them, clean it all up, do some weld through or etch prime on it, and then we put the top pieces on. They go back. It's going to end up looking exactly like that. Rust is repaired and we don't have to worry about it, and this one's ready for sandblasting. I mean, as much as that one is. So that's where we're at right now on these cars. But just to give you an update, because I know you guys have seen this rust on here and I've explained to you what we're going to do, now I can show you step by step. That's what it looks like when we first initially blasted the car. Here's halfway. When we get these bottom pieces welded in, we'll show you that, and then we'll show you the top pieces being welded in, and what it looks like when it's done is going to be exactly how it's supposed to look. And it'll be done correctly, top and bottom. We're not leaving slaggy, nasty welds underneath. It's going to be clean and correct all the way through, because that's how we do it. Hey everybody, we're back. Here's the patches finished. This is top and bottom, all done. Now we're just going to do the other side the same way, and that's all we got to do. A little smoothie right here, a little smoothie right there, and we're good. So quicker, easier, and just as effective as replacing the aprons, which would have cost a bunch of money to do. Now we're done. So that's it. Cut it all out, get the top layer out of the way, repair the bottom layer, put in a piece on the top, done, just like that. So pretty easy. Rust repair is okay if you can get to it, and this was about as accessible as you're going to get on a car. So good. Now we'll put some primer on that just to save it from being goofy, and then we're able to paint the car. So cool. I'm going to Lowe's. What's up, everybody? Hey, we showed you doing the patches on these upper aprons today, and cart before the horse kind of thing. We took the battery tray out, and this apron is rotted right here. So we've got some footage of that already. I showed you we're going to replace that. Austin went at it with our funky wire wheel and getting the undercoating off of there, so when I sandblast this, it's going to be a lot easier to sandblast. We made miles and miles of progress today. It's hard for people to realize what makes you happy. Progress makes me happy. These two cars are just about, both of them, just about ready to take out and sandblast and get going. This one's got a little bit more rust in it than we may have originally thought, but again, nothing we didn't expect, and we'll get it taken care of. But what I want to address right now is we've been getting a lot of Merry Christmas mentions and the comments on our videos and things like that. John Wilburn sent us, him and Jethro sent us a Christmas card of his Roadrunner, all decorated up in lights and stuff. John, we did a live with John a while back. I'm sure we'll do some more. And then this is from the guys at Only Motorsports, right across the street from us. I'm a little afraid to open this because it says open video opening, so there's something in here that he wants videotaped. I'm a little scared of it. So we're going to videotape it, but you may or may not get to see it. If you're watching this right now, it's because we were okay with what's here. I'm actually, given the fact that I gave them a gift about a week ago that was questionable, because if anybody knows me, I do questionable things repeatedly, and I gave them one. So he says this is in kind with the gift I gave you. That scares me, that alone. Okay, so we're gonna, Joe, why don't you come over here so you get some of this confetti on you too, because I have no idea what it is. Okay, I'm gonna, it
smells very thick.
Okay, it does feel very thick. And wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Seems relatively benign. I'm going to open it that way. It says, Merry Christmas, you filthy animals, LOL. Not scared. It's probably going to blow up in a minute. You filthy animals. Okay.
So the prank was making them think
that's what he
that
did.
We were being pranked. That's dirty.
Very clever. Very clever. Now, oh, I know what the prank is. It won't shut off. It does not shut off. That's what it is.
Well, how'd they sign it?
Oh, it probably had something you got to pull. funny guys, it doesn't shut off, okay? Sooner or later the battery's going to go dead on this thing, but really? Here, can you hear it? And then it starts again. Clever. Very clever. I'm going to walk this over here and put it down so we can continue talking. Yeah. You'll just hear it in the background. That's kind of clever, actually. Got to give it up to Jeremy and Zach. OnlyMotorsports.com and Only Motorsports on YouTube. You got to watch these guys. They do some phenomenal things with some much higher end vehicles than we deal with.
Yeah, they're still working out their YouTube thing.
They are. Yeah, their YouTube channels are,
Yeah.
You know, let's call it weak. Let's call it weak. Just a shout out to those guys. You have a weak YouTube channel, but you'll get there. Just follow our cue.
Yeah.
You know.
Just be real.
I want to thank everybody. We have taken a major uptick in subscribers and watch time in just the last couple of days, and I think maybe it's because I asked you guys to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notifications. Again, I'm going to ask you in every video, so get used to it now.
Yeah.
Please subscribe. Still, we're at about, it's in the upper 50% of people who are not subscribed that watch our show every day. Okay? I'm going to shoot that damn car, dude. I'm telling you, it won't stop. Thank you all for watching. If we don't see you, I think we'll probably do one more before Christmas. But if we don't see you, Merry Christmas to everybody. Mele Kaliki Mama, or whatever it is, the Hawaiian thing. Feliz Navidad. All of the different things. Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever. It's happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and thank you all for being part of this. It's been a hoot all along, and watch for big things in the year coming up, because we're about to kill it. So, peace. We'll see you tomorrow.